Here we are, Lee Renovations. We're at Buckton Court, getting ready for groundbreaking ceremony. Awesome location. We're on the corner of George Washington Way. See all the busy traffic on the freeway. And Newport, downtown Richland. Getting ready for groundbreaking ceremony here. Gonna have 6 units on this piece of property when this is over with. Here we are at what is going to become Buckton Courts, or Buckton Courts. It's we're on George Washington Way and Newcomer on the corner. Nothing but dirt, all flattened out for right now. But this is the project. This is the beginning for Lee Renovations. It's Friday, January 26th. Probably 45 degrees. Hard to believe. We're in the middle of winter. But having a groundbreaking ceremony here in a few minutes. We'll take some more video here in a bit. Okay, here come the official scoops of dirt. Here it is, the official breaking. There it is. Well, here we are at Buckton Courts. It's Monday afternoon. They've done a final grade, gotten a couple piles of junk together with the big equipment. Getting the manhole covers set for the street drainage. Got Silverline Plumbing putting their drains in the foundation so that we can get the slabs poured. So you can see this is the first Project 101 Newcomer, and it's backfilled. We've got the plumbing in, so all they have to do is compaction, get some gravel in, and that's ready to pour. Same with these other ones, so they're getting all of them ready to go. Moving ahead, I think we're supposed to have slabs poured, I would say by midweek. Hopefully lumber on these by the end of the week, and we'll have these things up and going. Here we are, Wednesday morning. It's February the 8th. And you can tell the guys have been here doing all their trenching, getting all their pipes laid. So they've got their sewer, water main coming in. Place is tore up. But once you get the inspection, this thing will look like nothing. They'll cover it all up and it'll be back to what it was before. So they're moving right along. They got pressure tests. They got tests on all their plumbing. So they're ready for some inspections, and then it'll all be done. And probably tomorrow this thing will get covered up and backfilled, and they'll be moving on to getting gravel in the foundations and slabs poured. Check in later. Here we are Monday morning, February the 13th, 2012. We're on the Keelman project. Just taking a look around. You'll see all 6 of the slabs have been poured. Guys are putting the finishing touches on the last few. This project is ready for lumber. All the utilities have been backfilled. Everything's in, approved. The manhole for the storm drainage for the parking lot is in. Everything's ready to go. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we're dropping lumber on the first 2 units. So we'll do an update tomorrow. Here we are. Tuesday, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Valentine's Day, February the 14th. You look around, you see all the foundations, the slabs are poured, they're backfilled, and here we have lumber. Our first lumber drop, we're dropping the wall package and the floor package for 2 of the first units. They're going to go to unit 101 and 99. These are the first 2 that we're going to build. So this is exciting. Lumber is finally dropped. Tomorrow they'll start framing in the morning. We'll get a picture at the end of the day, see what they got done. Here we are Thursday afternoon, about 11:30. Just about lunchtime. As you can see, we've got the framing started. They're taking the first 2 of 6 units, and they've started framing the bottom wall packages. So this is exciting. The buildings are actually getting started. Eventually, all the way around, all 6 of these slabs will have buildings on them. So we'll check in a couple days. Here we are, Wednesday morning, February 22nd. Looking at the progress. We've got first building, got probably another half day's worth of work, and then it's ready for trusses to land on it. And then the second unit, they're rolling the floor system. So we got the floor probably going to get done today. Have them up and ready. I think they're trying to get it ready for trusses by Thursday or Friday, so we can hopefully land trusses on these two units by the end of the week. We'll check in a couple of days. Well, here we are, Wednesday, March the 6th, and you're looking at your first 101 newcomer. Your first project at Buckton Court is ready for siding. This project is done framed. Now the siders are coming in. We're dropping siding this afternoon. And here's the second one. They're rolling trusses, getting ready to sheet this one out. Should be a couple more days, and this one will look like the first one. And then they're going to move over to the third one, which they've already started. And then of course we've got 3 more to go after that. So there's an update for the day. We have one unit getting sided. They're going to start today. A couple of days. This one should be done by the end of the week. Then they'll be rolling on to that third unit. Update again here soon. Here we are, Monday morning, March, the 12th. Got our first units. Siding package is sitting there ready to go. I don't know if siders are showing up today or tomorrow. It's passed the shear inspection. It's all ready to go. That one's going to start getting sided. This one here, the second one, is going to be finished today. They're going to have roofs basically all done. It'll probably get stocked this afternoon or tomorrow. And so Greg, the sider, will be able to move right over to that second unit. Tomorrow the guys will gang up on this one. The joists are all rolled, so they'll have the floor deck. They'll start doing the upper floor package there. It sounds like we're getting some more framers coming in, and so there's the fourth unit. We have a floor package sitting there ready for them. So a lot of activity. Plumbers are probably going to start coming in. You're going to have a lot of subs coming in here now. A lot of activity. We'll check in a couple days. Here we are, Tuesday morning, March 27th. These are the last 2 units to be framed. We had rain this morning, so none of the crews are out. Too bad, because the weather's great now. But they're expecting trusses on these 2 on Friday. We've got electricians inside the third unit. That unit's already got electricity. It's all done. Siding they're just about done with on the first one. Well, the first one's done. Second one's getting sided and finished out. This one's got sheetrock inside. It's moved right along. So this project's really moving right along. So all 6 of the units are evident, and we'll check in a few more days. Well, here we are, Monday morning, April the 2nd. Got 2 buildings siding. Painters are getting ready on the first building for painting. Siders have moved over to the third building. It's also getting stocked for sheetrock. Both of these first 2 are sheetrocked, getting primed and ready. This building is waiting. Plumbing's in, electrical's in, sheetrock's next to go. It's insulated, ready to go. Then here's the last 2. We landed trusses on Friday. So now they're rolling the trusses on this first one, and then they'll move over and finish the last unit. Lots of progress, lots of activity. Everybody's out here hard at work. So we'll update it later this week. Well, here we are, Thursday, April the 13th, down at Buckton Courts. This is the first unit we started, and now it's pretty well painted out. They've got a little bit of touch-up and a handrail to go across the front of that deck. They've already got cabinets and flooring installed inside. Sheetrock's painted out. They're getting close to wrapping these guys up. Here's the second one. Siders has got that one done, ready to go. Now the painters are next. Inside they have cabinets installed, flooring installed. They're moving right along. Siders will jump onto this one. All the rest of these are framed and done. They're putting the deck on this last unit here. trying to finish that one up. So as you can see, all 6 of the buildings are up and built. Subs are moving right along. It's going to be a great day. We'll check in soon.